Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at a brand new model. This is the 2022 Jayco Melbourne Prestige Model 24NP. Guys, this is the all-new Jayco Melbourne Prestige 24NP. This is a Class B plus motorhome that doesn't give you any slide outs. This is the only motorhome on the market today that's like this. And this was actually a prototype this year at the Tampa Super Show. It did so well that Jayco decided to bring it to production. Right up front, we have a molded fiberglass front cap, no seams in it. It's beautiful and nice. Front windshield up there, beautiful full body paint. And this does sit on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. It's 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower. It's gonna give you the best fuel economy in a motorhome like this. They call it a B plus because of the size of it. Technically, it's a Class C motorhome because it does sit on a cutaway chassis. But once you guys see it on the inside, you're gonna absolutely love it. Coming on inside, you can see that this motorhome has no slide out rows. This is the way the motorhome is at all times. While you're driving, while you're parked. Jayco really knocked it out of the park with this motorhome. Wait till we see that rear area. Right up front, Mercedes-Benz cockpit area, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, everything, every high-end tech feature that you want in a Mercedes. Nice bunk over the cab, holds 750 pounds. And look at that awesome windshield. With the push of a button, it lets in so much natural light, it's unbelievable. Right over here, it's kind of the living room area. You got a seat here, and it does come with a lagoon table. Over here is the kitchen. You need more countertop space. It flips down, and it's very, very nice. Good size, nice sink, nice Euro-style cabinetry. It's beautiful. Microwave up here with your refrigerator. This unit also does have auto leveling, okay? As we walk back here, you'll be able to see that you have your toilet and sink area right here. And then, backing on up, we do have your shower right here. It's a great size shower. That's a 24 by 36. And then over here, this is absolutely amazing. This is a rear lounge. This is where you're hanging out during the day. And once you are ready for bed, you take these cushions, just like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Pull this down, just like that. Pop it down into place, and then here's your bedroom area. This is an awesome, beautiful motorhome, and we appreciate everybody for checking out this quick tour. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below, and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.